Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices edged lower as investors priced in a build in gasoline inventories in the US ahead of the US-China trade talks this weekend. Both benchmarks plunged to four-year lows this week after OPEC Plus decided to speed up output increases. The Federal Reserve held interest rates steady, but said the risks of higher inflation and unemployment had risen, further clouding the economic outlook as the US central bank grapples with the impact of Trump administration tariff policies. The Bybit exchange has recovered its liquidity to pre-hack levels just 30 days following the February 2025 attack that drained nearly $1.5 billion in funds. Bitcoin's 1% market depth, a measure of liquidity, returned to pre-hack levels of around $13 million per day in March 2025.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.